Hi guys, it's Ethan here. I've got some extremely sad news. My pet bird, Frankie, unfortunately passed away. He passed away of old age, which I knew was gonna happen eventually. It really just hit me hard because I really loved that bird so much, and now he's just been taken away by passing, and it just makes me upset. Really, like, I'm not faking this. People might think I'm faking this. My pet bird actually passed away. I'm not showing you images because the video will get taken down. But yeah, he passed away of old age, which I knew was gonna happen eventually. He'll be forever in our hearts, and he's gone to heaven. When I was a kid, I used to went to my nan's house because that's what Frankie was, and I used to like play around with him. I used to go like this, and obviously I was joking. I'm not being like hate and stuff. And then we had my cousins, my two younger cousins, and then they were like playing. And then at dinner today, the tragedy struck when Frankie just passed away. My auntie said, and I didn't want to be at dinner. I went straight to my room, shut the door, and that was pretty much it. I just didn't want to like ever just like come out. It's just a sad time, really. Fuck me. You guys can't see this, but I am tearing up. That's all I have to say, guys. Thank you for listening.